Hi Nail Fam, I hope that you are doing well and that you have been well since I was last able to post a video. I do have a packet here from MelodySusie that they were kind enough to send me over. So we're going to quickly unbox this. It seems to be something pretty new. I'm not even sure if this is on their website as yet. If it is, I'll have all of the information linked down below. So MelodySusie P series, this is their instruction manual, things you should check for before using, battery life, how to use it, note for using, maintenance work, any injuries that you might have whilst using it. It does tell you that it includes 2 drill bits, a ceramic bit, and a mandrel plus sanding bands, and it tells you what it's for. Okay, so the ceramic bit is for surface work, cleaning and prepping, and the mandrel is for surface work, shortening and removal. I actually need to do my nails over right now. They have been on for a couple of weeks now. I need to take them off. How to use it: charging, the indicator light of the handpiece flashes, which means that the drill needs to be charged, etc. And the specifications, warranty, and customer service. All right, so be sure, like when you ever, even if you receive PR or if you purchase a product, read your instruction manuals. All right, so these must be the 2 drill bits that the manual indicated would be included in this set. So here we have our ceramic bit, and again, the ceramic bit is used for surface for cleaning and prepping. As far as I know, ceramic bits are not to be used on the natural nail. They are only to be used on enhancements. So even though it doesn't actually say that there, it doesn't seem so. And then we have our mandrel bit, and it says it includes sanding bands as well. This is actually really cool. It's a drill, but it looks like a little pen or something. Okay, so when we take this little insert out, we can see that there's some more products down here to the bottom. So these must be the sanding bands here, and I'm assuming they're all the same grit, just in different colors. None of them seem to be coarse. They all seem to be fine. So I'm going to assume that this is probably like 180 for that. And then we have a little plug here for the drill pen. I'm going to call this a drill pen. There's also a file in here, MelodySusie file, and this is 100, 180. So you can definitely use the 180 on your natural nail and the 100 for any nail enhancements. And then we have a cuticle pen. It doesn't say if it has a scent, but when you look at the ingredients, it does say there's peach extract, mango extract, peach mango, and vitamins. Moisturize cuticle oil, pen, and protect the cuticles and nails. Use 1 drop to each cuticle and massage gently 3 to 4 times per week. A few little spelling errors there, but I mean, straightforward. Okay, so we do have a USB. So now let's see if we can figure out how to charge this. I'm going to assume it's this, because this looks like this could lift up here. Okay, so this comes out, and then you're gonna stick this in there. I'm just gonna, okay, so I am going to, let's push this to the side for the minute. I have my little USB plug thing here, this one here. Just gonna plug this in, and let's see if anything special happens. I'm not sure if there's supposed to be a light. So there's supposed to be like a red light flashing. Okay, let's go back to our instructions here. Choose 1 nail grit and insert the drill into the handpiece in place. Okay, so maybe what we need to do is, it's not going to come on because there's nothing in here perhaps. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to go for the white. We're just going to push this onto there, nice and snug. So, okay, Feels nice and snug there. Okay. All right, so we choose one nail drip and insert the drill bit into the handpiece in place. And then step 2 is press the on and off button for 2 seconds to turn on or off the device. Press the speed control to accelerate or decelerate the rotation speed. Speed control. Oh, there's a light there. So this red here, what did the red flashing means? The indicator light of the handpiece shows red and flashes, which means that the drill needs to be charged. Okay, so maybe it needed to be charged, but I also didn't hold it down for 2 seconds, which is why it didn't come on. So take out the cord and connect to the DC socket. The indicator light means that it needs to be charged. The indicator light of the handpiece shows green when the drill is fully charged. So once this blinking light turns green, that means that it's fully charged. Okay, but I definitely... Usually MelodySusie products come charged when I get them. Like, I've received their 2 drills from them, and both of them were charged. So I'm just wondering if it's blinking because I do have it charged. I'm going to pull this plug out just for the minute. We should have enough juice. I'm going to hold it for the 2 seconds. 1, 2. There you go. So it is on. Now, how do you change? See, it's green here. How do you change the speed? Is the next thing. Press the speed control to accelerate or decelerate the rotation speed. That is not bad. That is not bad. There is good speed to this. Oh, that's it there. That's how you change the speed. So I just pressed that just now and it sped up. And now it's slowed down. So that's, I think this is low, medium, low and medium. So there's only 2. And then when you want to turn it off, you hold it down for the 2 seconds. That is pretty impressive. Now, I won't say that it is as, actually, I didn't use it on the full 2 speeds. Maybe I should use it on the faster speed and see if I'm actually able to remove, like, so this sanding man was good for some surface work. And it was good to remove any excess, and it actually really did a good job cleaning up around that crusty, dusty cuticle area. And it gave me some good surface work there. Yeah, so if you wanted to remove gel polish as well, it would probably do that as well. Actually, I have some gel polish over here. Let's give this a try on my next crusty hand over here. Well impressed. I mean, it's MelodySusie. Like, okay, let's go ahead. All right, so that's on the lower speed. Now I'm going to go on the higher speed now, and I'm going to see if I can actually remove. well done. So you can see here on this hand where I do have gel polish on the higher speed, because you need the higher speed. It's a little bit high for me actually. I could feel it on my finger. But on the higher speed, it was actually able to remove gel product off of this nail, which is pretty good for just a little pen, which means you can carry this with you. You can travel with this. And if you need to make a repair, anything to your nails, it works. And the fact that it's a USB cord as well, so you don't have to worry about plugs. All you need is a USB plug, a USB socket. So that is pretty cool. You could use this in the car. That is absolutely amazing. So this is the new MelodySusie nail pen. See that this pen is so strong. You can do surface work. You can clean up the cuticle. You can remove the surface shine off of your nail enhancement. I wouldn't use it on natural nails, but it could be used. I'm not quite sure. I probably have to use it in low setting. And you are also able to see that you can actually remove gel polish, pre-existing gel polish, top coat gel polish, and clean up the cuticle. And you can actually shape up the nail as well if you have product on there. So this little mighty little pen thing, it is absolutely amazing. Nail drill pen model MSPC1. Absolutely amazing. Good job on this product, MelodySusie. Well impressed. And you just kind of when you're done, you kind of just pull this out, put it back on charge, put your nail drill and sanding band away, and that is it. And you do have a nail file if you need to do any cleanup, and you do have a cuticle pen. Once you're done, you put on your cuticle oil and you are good to go. So that is my review of the MelodySusie nail drill pen. It should be launching at the time of me recording this video. It hasn't launched yet, but once I post this video and have it up on my channel, it should be launched. Highly recommend this pen specifically for on-the-go traveling or even mobile nail techs. This would be pretty handy as well. Thank you so much, MelodySusie, for sending this over to me. Hope you guys enjoyed this very quick video and review of the nail drill pen from MelodySusie. I do have a discount code that will be linked down in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.